Good morning, students. Now today we will start the last topic of the measures of central tendency, mode. Mode is denoted by Z symbol. Now, if the nature of the mode is to be explained graphically, so it is obvious that the mode would be the point of the maximum frequency, which is indicated by the peak of a frequency. That means in this given diagram, x-axis denotes the value of the variable and y-axis denotes the frequency. So mode, this is mode. Mode is the value on the x-axis which correspond to the maximum frequency on the y-axis. Okay, so that means the most existing number is mode. Now the value of the mode can be calculated by the following series. So the first one we are going to use, that is the individual series. Individual series, there are the two methods to find out. First one is observation and second one by converting them into frequency, that means by the frequency distribution. So if this is the individual series question, this is the question written over here: 52, 50, 66, 70, 66, 72, 71, 66, 60, all these are the numbers. So the first way, that is the observation method. So for observing, first of all we have to arrange these datas in ascending or in the descending order. So here I have arranged these numbers into the ascending order. First of all 48, then 50, then I arranged all the numbers in the ascending way. Now here you can see that 60 is repeated 2 times and 66 is repeated 3 times. After that 67 is also repeated 2 times, then no other number is repeated. So that means 66 is repeated 3 times. So the mode is 66. That means if the number of the items of an individual series are more and it can be repeated more times, so that is, or maybe by this observation height or maybe the 66 number occurs most, so this is mode. Now the second way by which we can calculate, that is by converting into the frequency. So first of all I have written all these numbers. Now I will convert them into the frequency. That 48 how many times it is repeated in the question? Only 1. So this is the frequency. Now 50 is also repeated 1 time, 52 is repeated 1 time, 60 is repeated 2 times, 65 repeated 1 time, 66 repeated 3 times, 67 repeated 2 times, 69 repeated 1 time, 71 1 only, and 72 also 1. So that means 66 is repeated 3 times, so our Z is 66. So that means in the individual series, two ways are there to find out the mode. First of all, observation. For observation you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order or in the descending order. Then you have to observe that which number is repeated most, so that number will be the mode. Another one by converting them into a frequency distribution. So for the frequency distribution, now you have to find out, first of all you have to write the numbers which are given in the question, and then you have to search how many times this number is repeated. If 48 is not repeated, only once it occurs, so 1 we will write. If 60 is repeated 2 times, so we will write 2. So the number which is repeated most, or the frequency is more, so that number will be the mode. Now let's solve the question by the discrete series. Discrete series in which you will get the frequency, but in discrete series we will solve by grouping method. In the grouping method, first of all whatever the frequencies are given to us, that will be your first column. After that you have to make second column, third column. Okay, that means whatever the frequencies are given to us, that will be your first column. Now in the second column we have to add first 2 values, then next 2 values, then next 2 values. So 2 plus 4, 6, 8 plus 10, 18, 5 plus 4, 9. So first column is frequency. In the second column you have to add first 2, next 2, next 2, and if another number is also given, maybe 2 is given over here, so there is no another number to add with this 2, so we can leave this number. Now in the third column you have to leave the first value. Now next 2 we have to add. Now 4, no number is there, so leave this 4. That means 4 plus 8, 12. 10 plus 5, 15. Now with 4, no number is given, so leave this number. So now in the fourth column, now you have to add first 3 values, then next 3 values. So 2 plus 4 plus 8, that is 14. Then 10 plus 5 plus 4, 19. Now in the next column you have to leave the first value, then next 3 values, and next time 3 values are not there, so leave these 2 values also. Now 4 plus 8 plus 10, 22. And in the last column, leave first and second value. Now add next 3 values. So next 3 values are 8, 10 and 5. So 8 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 23. Now I'm repeating again. First of all, whatever the frequencies are given to us, first consider that is first column. Now in the second column you have to add first 2, next 2 values, next 2 values. In the third column, leave the first value, then add next 2, next 2. In the fourth column, add first 3 values, then next 3 values, then next 3 values. In the fifth column, leave the first one, then start adding the next 3 values. And in the last column, leave first and second value, then start adding the next 3 values. Now we have to find out the frequency. This grouping method is must. By observation method may be possible, you will find bimodal. So bimodal is not possible, so you have to find out the answer. You have to solve it by the grouping method only. Now in this one, which one is the highest number? 10. Here 18 is the highest. Here 15 is highest. 19, 22 and 23. Now we have to find out the frequency. How we can find out? 10 is the highest one. So in front of 10 we will make 1 bar. Now 18 is the highest number, but 18 we got by the calculation of these 2 values. So in front of both the values we will put 1 bar. Now 15 is the highest value, but this we got by the calculation of 10 and 5. So here also in front of this we have to put 1 bar, and here. Now 19 we got by the calculation of 1, 2 and 3, these 3 values. So in front of all these 3 we have to put 1 bar. Now 22 we got by the calculation of these 3 values. So in front of 1, 2 and 3. After that 23 we got by these 3 values. So 1, 2, 3. Now the frequency 1, 3, 6, 3 and 1. So 6, this is the highest frequency, so that means our mode is 130. So Z is equals to 130. This is the observation method in the discrete series. Sorry, this is grouping method. So now in the discrete series, again I am repeating. First of all, X is given to you, frequency is given to you. Consider the frequency as a first column. In the next column, add first 2 values, then next 2, then next 2. In third column, leave the first value, leave 2. Now add 4 plus 8, 10 plus 5. In the fourth column, start adding first 3 values. 2 plus 4 plus 8, 14. 10 plus 5 plus 4, 19. Now in the fifth column, leave first value. Now start adding next 3. 4 plus 8 plus 10, 22. Next 3, third one is not given, only 5 plus 4, so we have to leave this one. Now in the last column, leave first and the second value, start adding next 3. 8 plus 10 plus 5 equals to 23. Now we have to make the frequency. 10 is the highest number, so in front of 10, 1 bar. 18 is the highest number, but 18 we got by the calculation of 8 plus 10. So in front of both the numbers we have to put 1 bar. 1 bar here and 1 bar here. Same with 15 you got by the calculation of 10 and 5. So in front of 10 you have to put 1 bar, and in front of 5 you have to put 1 bar. Same with 19, in front of all 3 numbers you have to put the bar. 22, in front of 1, 2, 3, all these 3 values you have to put 1 bar. Same with 23 is also we have got it by adding 10, 8, 10 and 5. So in front of 8, in front of 10 and in front of 5 we have to put the bars. So the highest frequency occurs at 130, so your Z is 130.